guys, welcome back to the show. Today I would like to share with you some of the resources that I use and the best resources out there to learn how to program. First of all, I think you need to figure out what your learning style is because people have got different ways of learning. There are some people who learn by reading books, there are others who learn by watching YouTube tutorials or doing online courses, and there are some people who learn by dancing. So once you figure out what works for you, you can decide to use any of the resources that I'm going to show you in this video. When people are starting out, the number one platform that they use is Free Code Camp. So Free Code Camp is a free online platform where people are taking through tutorials starting from the basics of HTML, CSS, then to JavaScript. As users get better, they can progress to learn the more advanced stuff in JavaScript by picking up libraries such as Vue.js or React.js, and they can also learn backend framework like Express.js and combine that with React.js to build awesome applications. Honestly, I think FreeCodeCamp is an awesome platform for beginners. It will help you with the basics, it will help you to get started, and it is a platform to basically just learn the basics and progress from there by reading books and building awesome applications. Now, the next resource that I recommend is Code Academy. Code Academy is just like Free Code Camp. The only difference between Code Academy and Free Code Camp is that Code Academy gives you the opportunity, I would say, to learn other programming languages like Python, C Sharp, Swift, Ruby, and build awesome applications on there. It is great for beginners as well. It's free, and you can decide to pay for a membership where you can have access to exclusive stuff that free users don't usually have. But I think it is a great website. It is a great platform to learn how to program for beginners. Next on the line is Pluralsight. Now, I haven't personally used Pluralsight, but I know a lot of people who use it, and they said that it is a great platform to learn how to program. What I've heard about Pluralsight is that unlike Free Code Camp and Code Academy, on Pluralsight there is an actual instructor who tells you what to do. It's just like a teacher teaching you what to do. Some people do like this kind of learning environment, and if that is for you, then it is the platform that you need to go to learn how to program. They've got courses for Python, they've got courses for Ruby, they've got courses for Scala, they've got courses for Java, and many more. So you can try that out and then see if that one works for you. And of course, there is Udemy as well. I've know a lot of people in the industry who use Udemy as their number one source for learning, and which is great. You can check that out. I've got link in the description. Got Treehouse as well, which is a great platform also for learning how to program. They've got like different courses for different languages that you can check out. And lastly, one of the best resources out there for learning, Harvard CS50. They've got great courses on Python, great courses on HTML, CSS, algorithms, and data structures. If you were interested in that kind of stuff, it is a great resource. Like you could basically learn from there and start applying for jobs, and I promise you, you're gonna get them. So those are the resources that I would recommend for you, the free ones out there. And again, I've got links to all of these sites in the description, so make sure to check them out. And for those of you who are interested in learning by reading, I've got links to some great resources, some great books which are beginner friendly and will help you in your programming journey and make you the best tech lead ever in the description section. So make sure to check them out. Those are the best resources out there. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.